Hey guys, my name is Lauren King. I am the founder, owner, CEO of Purely Perfect Hair, and I just thought I'd do, a video thing just to show how to use our products. And something that I kind of stumbled across wanting to do was turn this old kind of blowout that I was supposed to crochet but didn't have time to crochet. A whole nother story. But I want to turn this into like a Curlformer set, but also using some of the color waxes that we're seeing these days, very popular. So what I plan to do is just, kind of spritz, moisturize, put the color on, and then put the Curlformers on. So the one thing I do know about the wax is it comes off very easy with water, so I'm not worried about it ruining my Curlformers, but I am worried about none of this drying in time for me to go to work in the morning. So all of these nice little experiments are happening all at one time, and so I just wanted to bring it to you guys to show, one, how Purely Perfect products work, and then two, let's see how they work with my little experiment. Okay, so we're gonna get started on our little experiment, and these are the things that you're going to need. So first, I have my spray bottle to moisturize. You always start with water. Water is the best moisturizer, basically. Anything water or water-based products. So if you're putting on oils or butters with no water, it's pointless. So water first. I'm going to seal in the moisture with the Purely Perfect Hair Lemongrass Twisting Custard. Some of my favorite ingredients in here would be jojoba oil. I love that it's a mango butter base. Because it works better for my hair, better than shea, so it's a little lighter than shea, and it kind of works wonders on this lovely mane. I'm also going to use a bit of oil. I love putting oil on, and so we have our Purely Perfect Hair Revitalizing Oil. This also has amazing carrier oils as well as essential oils with lemongrass scent. It's very refreshing. And what I'm going to use is just like a concentrated version of this. And so, again, has jojoba, sweet almond, and avocado oils. Is perfect for moisturizing and sealing. I love this even, right after I wash my hair. I love it in the middle of the week. I mean, I use this spray literally all the time. Almost every day. So then to the fun part is the color. So I have two colors that I'd like to try together. So I did purple and blue like separately, and I am hoping that this kind of a bright red, which it looks pink on a lot of the videos that I saw the YouTubers do, but it's kind of bright, and so my concern is going into the office with any color. I just want to make sure that I'm not scaring anyone. So I'm going to mix the purple and the red, and hopefully I get a nice dark burgundy. But yeah, I'm going to be using my brush to kind of make sure my hair is nice and smooth before I put in my handy dandy Curlformers, which are also knockoffs. So sorry. I'm gonna work on getting my cash up so I can get real stuff. But these work just as well as the real Curlformers. I mean, they're just hellish to sleep in, but they do give you a nice curl, a nice sleek curl. So I'll be using these, and if you don't already know, they curl in two different directions. Apparently curls are supposed to go away from your face, so I put the orange on my right and I put the pink on my left. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna moisturize, I'm gonna put on some color, and I'm gonna put my Curlformer, and I'm gonna pray to God that this dries by the morning. Okay, prayers up. Amen. I mean, in my head, this is working perfectly. Okay, so obviously it's gonna happen. Really? Sorry, it's my sister. I love her. You wanna come show yourself? No, I already did. Okay. Oh, such a. Okay, so to begin moisturizing, I'm just going to split my hair into 4 parts.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear.
So first I'm going to split some water I'm not going to be too heavy-handed because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. I just need to be wet enough to moisturize the strands and be malleable enough for me to detangle. Always with the ends. So I have low porosity hair. It's important for you to know what type of hair you have. And so my hair doesn't suck the water in very easily, so I kind of have to push it through. And I'm just going to take my brush, start at the end, work my way up to the top. I'm down for finger detangling, but I kind of really like making my hair detangled. Actually, I tried finger detangling, you know, just starting my natural journey. And I saw that some people weren't using combs at all, and I was like, oh my goodness, let me try this. And girl, child, honey, no ma'am. You gotta feel me. Okay, so now I'm all moisturized, hair is detangled, and now I'm ready to start applying the color and also put it in the Curlformers. I have a really pretty color here, a nice little burgundy, and I'm gonna start doing my hair. I'm just gonna smooth the color in, so I'll take a nice dollop. It takes a little bit to see the color sometimes, at least in my experience with using the blue, the purple, and I also used gold a little while back. So I'm gonna take like this much and rub it on my hands, get nice and dirty. And I'm just gonna rub it on the ends because I kind of just want a little ombre effect. I don't really want it to be super bright on my whole hair. So I'm gonna go from the mid of my shaft and go toward the bottom. So this wand came with the Curlformers. It came in 2 pieces and you just kind of stick it together. And so what I'm going to do is put my hair through this loop. I'm gonna put this through the, sorry, let me start over. I'm gonna put the Curlformer onto my hook. So, like so. I'm gonna twist the bottom of my, like the root of my hair, stick it through this, and then I'm gonna pull it through. So let me show you. Putting my hair into the hook. You wanna make sure that all your hair is in the hook or you will snag and it doesn't feel great. So I'm gonna push this up at the bottom to get to the bottom of the hook. And then I'm just gonna pull my hair on through. Pull it on through. All right. Boom. Ooh. Lord. I don't know how I'm about to sleep. But nighty night. Good morning. So I'm back to reveal my experiment and what this came out with. I'm pretty confident in Curlformers, but I'm not confident in using the Curlformers with the wax. So that's why. Unravel it. And you're gonna squeeze the top and voila. Your curl will come out. Oh. Okay. So what I will say is I am getting a bit of, I guess, flaking when I touch the hair or separate the hair. So I just be aware that I don't think it'll flake onto my clothes unless I touch my hair a lot, which I did experience with other colors, so I kind of expected it. I'm okay with that. I didn't experience a lot of transferring to my clothes unless it was like right on the color, like if it was like the nape of my neck, because before I had colored my entire head, so there's that. But overall, the color, you know, it's dope for what it is. Me personally, I am deathly afraid to like bleach my hair and color my hair. I just don't want to deal with it. I already went bald once. And I just want to keep my hair on my head. So bleaching is not something I want to do, even though I love color. So I will experiment with color when it's, you know, using crochet hair and weaves and well, I don't really do weaves, but crochet hairs. Oh. And then I found, you know, this product, the Mofajang or whatever it's called, and it's actually really great. It looks natural enough, in my opinion. I think some people who have had their hair colored before might be like, oh, this is whack. But for me, you know, it's good, it's fine. I kind of like that this is hard. It reminds me of like when you used to get your hair set back in the day and your curls were just crispy and they lasted for a couple of days, because normally Curlformers be dead by day 2, boo. Dead by day 2. And that's not cool. Who has time for that?
You gotta feel me. I wanna love you good. I wanna be your
I went and got my handy dandy pick. I'm just gonna pick out my roots so they don't look as okay. So let me show you the back. I'm praying that it looks as good as the front. This is so cute. I love it.